Hello, it's me, Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday, so what we're going to do is wrap up the week. If you are working, you're going to put yourself and your children through their routines and go to work. If you're an at-home flybaby, you're going to do the same thing. Get up in the morning before the family, put yourself through your routines, and then put your children through their routines. They're either off to school, homeschool, or staying at home because they're little. So if you're working, you're going to go there with peace of mind, knowing that everything's as done as it can be this morning, and you have a plan for the rest. Go ahead and say hello to your friends, coworkers, and employees. Get yourself a nice cup of coffee or a glass of water or both. Go to your nice tidy desk and open your control journal and get to work. This is the end of the week, so we're going to see what we did all week. How did we do? What do we have left to do today? Can we accomplish that? How are we doing based on our goals, right? You're also going to do your things you don't like to do first thing. You're going to empty your more of your email, your online email, and you're going to file some things, right? So that eventually those things are going to be all done. And then you can just maintain, which is so much easier. On your lunch and break, what are we going to do? Well, let's pop over and see what our at-home flybabies are doing and see how we can incorporate that into your daily plan. So at-home flybabies, the first thing after breakfast when everything's done is you're going to go ahead and have your laundry started. So go ahead and get your laundry started. Keep your ear out for it so you can hear when it's time to move it to the next machine or to take it out and fold it and or hang it up and put it away. Then we're going to go through, while that laundry is going, we're going to go through an inch of paper. We're going to do it every day till you have no more paper to go through. And then again, it's just maintenance, which makes it so much easier. Now we have two other things to do every day, and that is our weekly job and our monthly or our zone job. So our weekly today is car and purse day. So this is a super easy and quick one. Empty your purse out right now. Take everything that's trash and throw it away. Take everything that doesn't belong in there and put it away. Put everything back in your purse nice and tidy. Ta-da! Now go to your car with a bag. Take any trash that's accumulated. Hopefully you've learned to remember when you unbuckle to look around and get everything out of the car so you don't have a mess in there. If there's nothing in there, just shake the mats. You're done. If you want to, it's a great day to go put gas in your car, and it's a great day to get a car wash. But I know we're in a freeze in most parts of the country, so don't even think about it. Then the monthly thing, the zone, we're in zone 1, which is, again, you're facing a freeze. You don't want to go outside unless you still have a wreath on the front door from Christmas and you've taken down your Christmas things. Don't forget to take your wreath in. Maybe put out a new one or leave it blank for a little while. But we can work on the inside of zone 1. This is a great time to clean the foyer, to wipe the front door down, to wipe the doorknob down, to wipe the light switches down, to look in the closet by the foyer, in the foyer if you have one, to get that organized, to clean where the boots go and things like that. Look at the back door. Do you have things there that need to happen? Do you have a mudroom that you need to look at? This is the time you would do those things. All right, but we're only going to do 15 minutes worth of work, right? I dropped my notepad. Sorry. Only 15 minutes worth of work. And when you're done with that, you're done. If you have something else that you'd like to have done and you have kids, delegate it. You don't have to do it yourself. You can delegate it. Let's say the dining room is let's say the dining room table is a mess. Kids' schoolworks and projects and things have collected on it. Delegate that. Get the kids to clean it up. Don't give them a giant job. Give them a 5-minute job. That's it. Tomorrow you can get some more done. No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's family fun day. But remember, every day, every minute of the day is control clutter by completing the process day, completing the process minute. Every time you're done with something, put it away. Teach your children to do the same thing. It'll make a huge difference in the clutter situation in your house. All right, so let's pop over to our working lions, our fly babies at work, our payroll fly babies. How can you incorporate what we just talked about into your life? Well, easy. Run out to your car on your lunch break, or if it's too cold, then don't do it until you go back into your car. But when you get ready to go home tonight, go out there with your bag and get all the junk up real quick and get it ready to take home and throw it away. Hopefully you've been practicing the same thing I told the other fly babies, which is when you unbuckle your seatbelt, you gather your trash and you get your passengers to do the same. Trash and other things so that you don't have a big mess to deal with. Your purse, you can do that in your lunch hour or your break. Just dig around in there. You don't have to dump it out in front of everybody, but take the trash that you can find out. Anything else, wrap it up in a little one of those Walmart bags you keep in your desk and stick it back in your purse. Then when you come home, you can just pop it out. Meanwhile, everything else is pretty much organized in your purse. If you do this every week, your purse is going to look pretty great. Okay. The last thing is the zone. So tonight, when you get supper going, or if you've got it in a crock pot, it can wait for 10 minutes while you work on your zone. Zone 1 only, okay? If there's something in another part of the house and you have family, delegate, just like I told the at-home fly babies. Also, when you first get home, put a load of laundry in, keep your ear out for it so you can put it in the dryer and put it away before bedtime tonight. All right, after dinner, everybody, at home and payroll, everybody's gonna do the same thing. We're going to clean the kitchen together, get it all clean, the after dinner routine, then the before bed routines for yourself and your family. That's it. Have a fabulous Friday, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.